how to fix snapshot glitch on 2023, or you can fix this any years anywhere, because this is the easiest way and the correct way how to fix this on your snapshots. So let's start. So first you have to go and open the settings of your device or your phone, and here you have to search only for apps option. On apps option, what you should do then, you have to open like a snapshot, and then you have to go to storage option. Here don't click on clear data, because many people say you have to click on clear data. Now go to clear cache. I use it before, that's why I can't click on it. You have to go back and click on first stop and click OK. And what's next, you have to go to picture in app like this, and you have to turn off it like this, and that's it. Your problem will be fixed. And if it's not working and still glitching, you have to restart in your phone or checking if your snapshot is updated or not. And that's it. I hope guys this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you in another